My child, when you worship with all your heart, something powerful happens. Fear loses its grip. Darkness fades. Chains break. Worship isn't just singing, it's a battle cry. A force that calls down heaven's armies to fight for you. Think of a mighty river carving through stone. That's what worship does to the obstacles in your life. It moves mountains, shatters lies, and brings light where there was once only darkness. When you lift your voice in worship, I rise in your defense. The heavens open, the chains of deception snap, and my power rushes in like a flood. You are never alone in your struggles. Even when the battle seems endless, know this: I am fighting for you. Remember Paul and Silas in prison? Their hands were chained, their feet locked in stocks. But they didn't let their situation silence them. They worshipped. And as their songs filled the prison, the earth shook, the doors flew open, and every chain fell off. That's the power of worship, it sets captives free. You are not meant to walk in fear. Your voice carries the melody of freedom. So let it rise. Let your worship be the hammer that crushes every wall. Let it inspire others to stand firm, to call on my name with boldness. Because when you do, the barriers fall, and nothing can hold you back. Surround yourself with songs that unlock the gates of heaven. Fill your heart with praise, and watch how the atmosphere shifts. Watch how the impossible becomes possible. Worship is not just something you do, it's who you are. Yes, my beloved, I believe in your victory. You are always in my heart, always on my mind. My love for you is unshakable, just like the cross. I have already won the battle. Now, stand in that victory and let your worship transform your world. Now, take a deep breath. Lift your voice. Watch as chains break and miracles unfold before your eyes. This version keeps the heart of your message while making it more engaging and inspiring, with simple language and real-life examples like Paul and Silas. Let me know if you'd like any further tweaks.